Let me show you all of the video recording settings on Xiaomi 17T Pro. So we're going to start by opening settings on this phone, and we can find all of the settings here in additional options. There's screen recorder, and first thing is resolution. It allows you to change between all of those three options: 2772 by 1280 or 1280 to 720 and 800 by 480. Then we can change our video quality. The higher it goes right here, the better quality you will get, but at the same time it will take much more space on your phone. So for example, you can get the best quality with 100 megabytes per second. Then there's the orientation. That means the orientation of screen recording can be set to auto, which is recommended, or you can go for a portrait, which will always record it as you can see on the screen right now, or in landscape. That means usually if you flip your phone and have your phone on the landscape mode. Then there's the sound source. You can choose the source for the sound with none, which will disable any voice or sound coming from your phone in that recording. You can go for only microphone. You can also go for system, or you can go for both, which will record both your microphone and system sounds. Then you can change the frame rate of the videos. It can be set between 15 FPS up to 90 FPS right here. Then in recording options, you can lock screen to end. That means if you press on the power button and lock your screen, the video screen recording will end automatically. You can show touch gestures. That way you will see a dot whenever you click on the screen in that exact area. And you can also show button taps. If you click on the buttons, it will be visible that you've clicked on them. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.